Hello, I am TM Medhir Vikram Surya on behalf of Sustainable Engineering Group S63. This is our project about finding a sustainable solution for lunch heats. Here we are going to talk about the raw materials, properties, uses of lunch heats as well as the problems related with them and alternatives available for lunch heats. Sustainable products are products that provide environmental, social, and economic benefits, which are the three pillars of sustainability throughout its life cycle. That is, from the raw material extraction up to the disposal. At the end of this presentation, you will get a clear idea about lunch sheets, alternatives to replace lunch sheets, and the best alternative, which we recommend as the best alternative to replace the lunch sheets. This project is important to manufacturing companies to get new ideas about the eco-friendly products because today's society is more concerned about the environment, and also from this project we hope to minimize the environmental pollution and to reduce the wastage added to the environment day by day. Raw materials of lunch sheets. Here basically we have only one raw material, that's low density polythene, LDPE. Here you can see the molecular formula of molecular structure of the low density polythene. This is a non-renewable source. When we talk about the properties of the lunch sheet, elasticity, ultimate tensile strength, resistance to temperature, hardness, low density, and high flammability are the properties. Temperature resistance. It has the ability to pack and wrap food with mild, warm, and freezing conditions. And also due to its branch structure and lightweight, it has a less density. Now let's move on to the manufacturing process. First, we add polythene granules to the hopper of the extruder, and which results a molten mixture with proper temperature and pressure. Then we push it through the circular die. Then air is blown inside the ring known as die of molten polyethylene to create an inflated bubble. Air is blown on the outside from what is called an air ring to stabilize the ball as well as to remove the heat from extrusion. Plastic is expanding between the die and the point where the melt crystallizes to solid form. During this transition, molecules orienting in the long and transverse directions. Then it is sent through a nip roll to convert them into a sheet, then through a dancer, and using a winder they wind it up to LDP rolls. Then you can shear it and get the lunch sheets. So when we talk about the uses, it is mainly used to wrap collective foods, to pack foods, and to preserve foods, and also for storing foods. Problems with the lunch sheets are categorized into 4 stages as extraction of raw materials, production, using day-to-day life, and disposal. In extraction of raw materials, they are mainly extracted from crude oil and natural gas, which are limited natural resources, which will cause the loss of natural resources due to excessive use. And in the production, greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide are released to the environment. In day-to-day life, chemicals mix with the food due to the contact with the lunch sheet. When we talk about the disposal, it takes a long period for decomposing, which is like 500 to 1000 years. And also it releases harmful gases when burnt in air. Then the alternatives. First, we take banana leaf as an alternative, which we use as it is without any mutation, and it is available in the nature and eco-friendly. Second alternative also, the lotus leaf. It is also used as it is without any mutation, and can be collected by the nature. Aluminium foil box. It is raw materials are non-toxic and safe. It can be recyclable and as well as uh, it can save resources. So it indirectly saves a lot of energy related to the production process. The biodegradable lunch bag invented in Sri Lanka. It is uh, produced with the biodegradable cloth and has a reusable inner bag that can carry food, which fulfills the main task of a lunch sheet in the lunch bag. The biodegradable lunch sheet, which is 100% same as the traditional lunch sheet and 100% compostable and degradable. Uh, it takes about 3 to 6 months for this to decompose completely. So we chose biodegradable lunch sheet as our alternative because of the degradability and also their non-toxicness. Benefits achieved were it will be decomposed in a low period, small period than the traditional lunch sheet, which is like 400 of years earlier, and also it is non-toxic and can be decomposed in soil and water. So these are some statistical data which you can see here. The biodegradability is very high in biodegradable lunch sheet, whereas the period of decomposition is very high in traditional lunch sheet, which shows us the advantages of biodegradable lunch sheet over the traditional lunch sheet. Therefore, I would like to conclude that the most sustainable and suitable and also economical alternative solution for the lunch sheet is biodegradable lunch sheet. Thank you.